Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. These are some of the stuff that I picked up, accumulated for the stuff that I need or just in case. So one of this is the propane refill adapter, LP gas cylinder, tank coupler, QCC1 regulator valve for 1 pound, type 1 throwaway cylinder. So with that one, you could refill from 20 pound to your 1 pound propane tank. So you don't need to waste your money to go to your local store to refill it for like $8, $9. I'm not sure what's the price right now. So, and then I got that for $5.99. That's the cheapest that I found. I checked on eBay, Amazon, and some other local store, and I got the cheapest one. So, and then second, third item, and fourth item is the car dent puller kit. It is a paintless dent repair tool, strong car body dent remover, repair puller slide hammer, auto suction cup dent removal. So I purchased that one for like $16.86. It is in blue color. And then second item is a 10-piece set adhesive blue-green glue tabs tool kit for car paintless dent repair or auto dent repair tool, and it has a long dent repair tool as well. The last one is the tool cloth dent 6-finger metal claw for slide hammer attachment, and this one I got $16.66. I forgot to mention the other puller kit. It's $16.86 as well. So anyway, let's go ahead and unbox it. By the way, this video is not sponsored by any of this company. So purchase with my own money on Amazon. So let's go ahead and open this up. This fingernail. Since I don't have my box knife with me. So this one's a 6-finger claw right here. Maxi, and it is made in China. So this one's the propane adapter. So if you guys like to go camping, this will be a nice adapter for you to get. So this one you screw it on to your propane, and yeah, this one's go to the 20 pound, this one go to the 1 pound, so pretty nice. And by the way, if you refill from the 20 pound tank, you need to put it upside down, okay? And they say it's better if you put your 1 pound empty tank in the freezer for like, I don't know, 5 to 15 minutes before you refill it up. And sometimes after you refill to the small tank, you might want to press the release valve to let go the air out, and then put it in again so it could fulfill your smaller tank. And that will save you lots of money. Instead of going to the store, ask for assistance, and then wait in line for help. Go ahead and check out this claw. So you need to screw this onto your hammer bar. So this is called a 6-finger. So should be just called 6 hook. So you can use 2 or you can use 1 hook, depends your dent. Oh, so that's good in case you have a dent in the middle and you try to pull this out. Pretty flexible. Check out this kit. Alright, so this is the bar for use it with the claw. So you need to put this block thing in here. So, okay, like that. And then use your hot glue gun. Put all the glue here. And then put on your dent. And then gonna put this bar in here. And then use a claw like this to pull out the dent. Then you hammer it out. Okay? Problem is you need to find a good glue. So this longer one. Pretty heavy duty. Just hope it doesn't break, that's all. Not sure how many times you can pull this with. Insert the bar in here. Just pull. I'm not sure what's the same set. So I got 2 sets of this. It's the same as that one. And this one is a different puller set. Yeah, not sure if some of the surface is too smooth. I'm not sure if it's going to stick on the car or not though. So this is the rougher edge. You gotta put the glue instead of the smooth side. And then I got the blue color. So you use this tool. The carbon over here. And then use your hammer puller to pull this out. Yeah, the problem is make sure you have a nice glue to stick it onto your vehicle nicely. Well, there you go. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one, like always. Peace.